Welcome to RenewEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At RenewEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Greetings from RenewEnergy.com, your gateway to the vibrant world of portable solar power technology, where innovation and sustainability converge. In today's episode, we embark on a fascinating journey to discover how portable solar solutions are revolutionizing our approach to renewable energy. These aren't just gadgets, they're catalysts for change, seamlessly integrating into the lives of urban eco-warriors and wilderness explorers alike. Prepare to be enthralled by the potential of portable solar power, a technology that's redefining energy use in our increasingly mobile world. Historical context. The saga of portable solar power is a chronicle of relentless innovation and ambition. Imagine a timeline that begins with bulky, rudimentary panels and evolves into today's sleek, high-performance devices. Each chapter in this history marks a significant leap forward in our quest to harness the sun's boundless energy. Join us as we traverse this timeline, spotlighting the groundbreaking advancements and the visionary minds behind them, painting a vivid picture of how we've arrived at the current state of solar artistry. Current trends in portable solar technology. The landscape of portable solar technology today is nothing short of electrifying. It's a realm where power meets portability, and innovation meets practicality. The market is buzzing with products that aren't just pushing the boundaries of power output, but are also redefining user experience. From ultra-compact solar chargers that can slip into your pocket to robust solar generators that promise energy autonomy in remote locales, these devices are more than just tools, they're enablers of a lifestyle. They're empowering digital nomads, energizing off-grid adventures, and providing a lifeline in critical situations, all while fostering a deeper connection with renewable energy. Technological innovations. The core of this solar revolution lies in a series of technological leaps. Today's solar panels are not just panels, they're marvels of engineering, utilizing advanced materials to capture solar energy with astounding efficiency. Battery technology has not been left behind, with innovations leading to longer lifespans and higher energy densities, ensuring your gadgets stay powered for extended adventures. But it's not just about what's inside. The design evolution of these products is equally fascinating, with features that cater to the demands of a mobile lifestyle, making solar power more accessible and convenient than ever. Environmental impact and sustainability. Portable solar power is a beacon of environmental stewardship. It's a choice that speaks volumes about our commitment to a sustainable future. By opting for solar, we're not just dodging the carbon footprint associated with traditional energy sources, we're part of a movement towards a cleaner, greener planet. The industry's dedication to sustainable production and end-of-life recycling of these devices further amplifies the positive environmental impact, showcasing a holistic approach to eco-conscious technology. Future outlook. Peering into the future, the horizon for portable solar power is dazzlingly bright. We're on the brink of witnessing innovations like wafer-thin solar cells and solar-integrated fabrics that could transform everyday objects into energy-harvesting surfaces. These advancements are set to redefine our interaction with solar energy, making it an even more integrated and seamless part of our daily lives. The future of portable solar is not just about energy, it's about a lifestyle intertwined with sustainability and innovation. Conclusion. In wrapping up, portable solar power stands as a testament to human ingenuity and environmental responsibility. It has journeyed from the periphery of technological curiosity to become a cornerstone of modern, eco-friendly living. Portable solar technology is no longer a future concept, it's a present reality, offering efficient, practical, and sustainable energy solutions that cater to a wide array of needs and aspirations. Regardless of whether you're an urban eco-enthusiast or an intrepid explorer in the great outdoors, there's a portable solar solution waiting for you. Explore the links in the description to discover the ideal device that matches your requirements. Thank you for choosing RenewEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at RenewEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.